48 rock in the bag. Push up on me, that's how niggas meet death. Dre got shot at his leg. I know niggas mad they can't link up a stack. Sammy got shot in the chest. Other boy neck on the bench. I'm trying to bend through the F, he get shot.
Today, man, we did a 800 horsepower zl1. The same zl1 that we did two other videos. So we're gonna do some more content with the zl1 because y'all like the zl1. So we might as well get more content with the zl1. Let's see what we got. That's time from the back. So we're on the road, man. We're up to 4K already, man. We just hit 3K. So we're on the road. No, man, can the sky keep up for real? Let me see if I can zoom in. Can the sky really keep up? He said no. I think so too. I think no.
See if he can keep up on the curves.
No. He gonna need to stop fully to turn. It's really taking turns. Oh yeah, this bitch got good handling, y'all. If y'all don't know this, he can't keep up on turns. This is a race car, y'all. Y'all don't know. If y'all don't know, we was literally doing like 80s and 90s through turns. Like, not lying. What the hell? Then we done left the sky. Oh my goodness.
What's going on?
Yeah.
It's even sharper turn where we're going.
Oh. Y'all, can y'all hear the supercharger? This shit is like, it sounds so good, bro. Like, I don't know what's better if this more of the Hellcat's real.
Hey, what's that, 20,000? They be like Lil Jax, that boy be the final boss. They gon' treat him like Bowser. We can have that boy killed in an hour. Know some junkies that kill you for powder. At the top I see why they be hating on it. Talking to the man of the hour. Hey, and I made that bitch ass label come back.
Stay right there. Oh, I close his hell. Oh my God. No, you won't.
See me the other day, nigga, I was reversing in the hood, skirting drivers and all. This shit nice, I ain't gonna lie.
This shit is nice.
I gotta respect it.
You hear shit chirping, y'all? Oh shit.
Car.
She probably like these fucking niggers.
Oh!
Alright, y'all, so we're gonna redo that clip for real, because I ain't like it the whole time. I want him to be,
Jason got all the keys.
Back the fuck up. If I knock the fuck out you.
I'm worried for real.
What you been doing on your knees?
Bitch, shut the fuck up.
Bro, y'all hear that, bro? You hear that? This is ear piercing loud. I hear sigh. Listen to his downshifts, y'all. He know how to downshift that bitch. That's a good one. I like that.
Yeah, I like that. She'll get this one too. I'll get this one.
Fuck is he doing, Jesse?
What the fuck is he doing?
What is he doing? No way. He tried to do a launch control, but found out that too much gets him a burnout. Yeah, but turn TC up next time.
You must be the future Terminator. Back up ass. He's probably pissed off that we did that.
I don't care.
Like that.
Do me a favor. Shut the fuck up.
Definitely gone. Scott Piper's keeping up.
I think he got there before I got there.
Oh shit! We're going airborne. Oh shit.
Yeah, that was like that was like a 90 degree turn.
That was crazy. This thing takes good turns, y'all. I'm telling you.
That's why you still see on one of these so the regular CO1.
Yeah. This is like the race car concept, y'all. This is meant for that. They can take it.
But you ugly as shit.
I'm speechless. That's a Hellcat burnout. He almost lost it too.
That's
Look.
more than a Hellcat.
Nigga, that's a zl1 burnout. Shut
Nigga.
your stupid ass up.
That's a Hellcat burnout.
Nigga, that's a...
He almost lost it too.
Yeah, he almost wrecked.
Yeah, he almost lost it. I seen that shit. He almost
Nigga,
lost
you
it.
see how dark the fucking tire marks is? Bro,
Pirellis.
my nigga was straight shooting straight.
And compared to Savs though.
Nigga, he shot rocks that much. I
Yeah,
was
but
back there.
Sam been doing it all day.
Oh,
He
shit.
wants you recorded.
Shut the fuck up, bitch. Damn.